Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of three names that are getting a lot of attention in 2026: Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline. In 2026, which one should you choose? Should you pay for a polished AI coding environment? Should you choose an autonomous AI agent? Or should you choose an open source tool where you control everything? Well, let's compare the three platforms. We start with Cursor. Cursor has become one of the most popular AI native code editors available today. The easiest way to describe Cursor is it is VS Code redesigned around artificial intelligence. If you already use Visual Studio Code, Cursor will feel very familiar because it is built around a similar experience. You still have your file explorer, your extensions, terminal, themes, and coding workflow, but AI is integrated much deeper into the editor. Instead of constantly switching between your browser and an AI chatbot, Cursor puts the AI directly inside your development environment. The main idea behind Cursor is that AI should understand your project context. For professional developers, startups, and teams, Cursor has become attractive because it feels like a complete replacement for a traditional coding editor. Now let's talk about Windsurf. Windsurf is one of Cursor's biggest competitors. The biggest difference is that Windsurf was designed around a more autonomous AI workflow. The central feature of Windsurf is called Cascade. Cascade is designed to understand your entire project and help complete multi-step tasks. Instead of just answering questions, Windsurf tries to follow your development process. While Cursor often feels like a power assistant inside your editor, Windsurf focuses more on AI-driven workflows. And then we have Cline. Cline is different from Cursor and Windsurf because it is not trying to replace your entire editor. Instead, Cline is an open source AI coding agent. It works inside environments like VS Code and allows developers to connect their own AI models. This is a major advantage for advanced users. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. We start with Cursor. AI code completion. One of Cursor's strongest features is intelligent autocomplete. So instead of simply predicting the next word, Cursor attempts to understand what you are building, and this helps developers write code much faster. Next is AI chat with code-based understanding. Cursor allows developers to ask questions about their project, and this is especially useful when working on large projects created by other developers. Agent workflows. Cursor's agent features allow AI to complete larger tasks, and instead of asking for one answer, you can assign a goal and let Cursor help implement it. How about the features of Windsurf? Cascade AI agent. Cascade is Windsurf's biggest feature. It can understand your project, make multi-file changes, follow development tasks, and help debug problems. AI-powered code editing. Windsurf can modify existing projects while maintaining awareness of surrounding code. Context awareness. One of Windsurf's major goals is maintaining awareness of your workflow. It tries to understand what you're currently working on instead of treating every request separately. Modern AI editor experience. Windsurf provides a complete coding environment rather than only being an extension. How about Cline, the main features? One of Cline's biggest advantages is transparency. Developers can inspect how it works and avoid being locked into one company. Bring your own model. Instead of paying only for Cline's AI access, developers can connect their own API keys. This means you control which model you use, how much you spend, and where your data goes. Autonomous coding tasks. Cline can read project files, it can create files, modify code, run commands, and help complete programming tasks. Developer control. For experienced developers, this flexibility is extremely valuable. You're not locked into one AI provider. Now, what is the pricing of each platform like? For Cursor, there's a free plan. There's an individual plan at $20 per month, which includes Pro. The Pro Plus is $60 per month, and an Ultra plan is $200 per month. There's a Teams plan which is standard and premium at $40 per user per month at least, and an Enterprise plan where you get a custom-made pricing. If you decide to do an annual payment, you get discounts, price slashes. For Windsurf, there's a free plan. There's a Pro plan at $20 per month and a Max plan at $200 per month. There's also a Teams plan at $80 per month and an Enterprise plan where you get a custom-made pricing for your company. With Cline, it is open sourced. There's a free open source plan and an enterprise plan where it is custom made for your organization. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Cursor, excellent AI integration, very polished developer experience, great autocomplete, strong understanding of large code bases, familiar experience for VS Code users, and good choice for professional developers. And the pros of Windsurf: excellent autonomous AI workflows, strong multi-file editing, competitive pricing, good for rapid development, and great for people who want AI to do more work automatically. And what about the pros of Cline? It is open sourced, it is highly customizable, and supports many AI providers. What about the cons? For Cursor, the paid plans may become expensive, and heavy AI usage may require higher tiers. For Windsurf, the smaller ecosystem cannot be compared with traditional editors. The autonomous AI can sometimes require careful supervision and is less flexible than open source solutions. And the cons of using Cline? It requires more technical setup and is less beginner friendly. It also requires managing API providers. So after comparing Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline, which one should you choose? Here's a summary. If you want the easiest and most polished experience, Cursor is probably the best overall in 2026. However, if your priority is having AI take a more active role in building the software, then Windsurf is extremely competitive. But if you're comfortable managing AI models, API keys, and technical settings, then Cline gives you something the others cannot, which is complete control. And that's it on the comparison of Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore GitHub Copilot, Replit Agent, and Cloud Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.